Hello students, I am Sheetal Bhanushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard first, chapter number 2, addition up to 20, part 1. Addition up to 20. In the previous lesson, that is chapter number 1, you have already studied about numbers up to 50. You are aware with the numbers now? So, in this lesson, we are going to study about addition. Addition up to 20. We are going to add that numbers. So, starting with the chapter, looking back. Here, some butterflies are there. In the first picture, 4 butterflies are there. Then, in the second picture, 2 more butterflies join them. So, how many butterflies in all? So, first picture, how many butterflies are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, 2 more butterflies join them. 1, 2. So, how many butterflies in all? For that, we need to count these 4 butterflies and these 2 butterflies together. So, count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many butterflies? 6 butterflies. So, 6 butterflies in all. So, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. This sign is known as plus sign. This sign is known as plus sign. Which sign? Plus sign. And this sign is known as equal to sign. Which sign? Equal to sign. Got it, students? Now, you can write addition sums in 2 ways. How many ways? 2 ways. You can write like this also, and you can write like this also. You can write it horizontally as well as you can write it vertically. Clear? 3 plus 4, and here also 3 plus 4. Now 3 plus 4. Here 3 tortoises are there. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 tortoises are added. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many altogether? 7 tortoises. How many? 7. So 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Similarly, here also 3 and 4 are there. So 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So whether you write it in this way or this way, the answer is going to be same. Got it, students? Okay. One more thing. In addition, if you change the order of numbers, the answer remains the same. If you are changing its order, then too its answer is not going to change. It will remain as it is. For example, see, here 2 birds are there and here 3 birds are there. So 2 plus 3, count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 5. Similarly, here 3 birds are there and here 2 birds are there. Count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many birds? 5 birds. Both the answers are same, right? So here what we did, we just change its order. Whether we write 2 plus 3 or we write 3 plus 2, the answer will be same. So if the numbers are same and orders are changed, the answer is not going to change. So if you change the order of numbers, the answer remains the same. Got it, students? So now let us start with some sums. Solve. 2 plus 5 is equals to dash. So here 2 dots are given and here 5 dots are given. So for adding, count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer here? 7. Got it, students? Second, 4 plus 2 is equals to dash. So count these dots together. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 6. So 4 plus 2 makes 6. Next, 3 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 6. What is the answer? 6. Next, 5 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer here? 7. Then 7 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many dots total? 8. So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Then 6 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer here? 8. Got it, students? Now the next is the order doesn't matter. Right now we studied that order doesn't matter, right? 6 plus 3 and 3 plus 6. Both the numbers are same, only the order is changed. Let us count and see whether the answer is same or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So 3 plus 6 will always be equals to 9 because the order, if the order is changed, the number is not going to change. Let us verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We counted and the number is same. So the order doesn't matter. If the order is changed, then also the answer is going to be same. 5 plus 1 and 1 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer here? 6. So 1 plus 5 will also be equals to 6. 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer here? 9. And 5 plus 4 will also be 9. Got it, students? Similarly here also 4 plus 3 and 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer? 7. And 3 plus 4 will also be the same. 5 plus 3 and 3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer here? 8, and 3 plus 5 will also be equals to 8. Got it, students? Okay, students, now our next topic is adding 0. Remember, when we add 0 to any number, the answer will be the same number. When you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the same number. Take an example here. 3 frogs are there and here no frogs. That is 0 frogs. So 1, 2 and 3. And here 0. So what will be the answer? 3 frogs. So 3 frogs plus 0 frogs is equals to 3 frogs. So 3 plus 0 is equals to 3 only. When you add 0 to any number, the answer will be same. Here 0 birds, no birds are sitting, and here 4 birds are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4 birds. When you add them, 0 plus 4, it will give 4 only. How many birds? 4 birds. 1, 2, 3 and 4 birds. So 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. So whenever we add 0 to any number, the answer will be same. Try this. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5 only. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2 only. 8 plus 0 is equals to 8 only. Got it, students? So whenever 0 is added, the answer is the same number. Clear? Next is adding 1. Now, if you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number that comes after. See here. Example, here 3 frogs are there and here 1 frog is added. So, what will be the total of this? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many frogs? 4 frogs. How many frogs? 4 frogs. So, when you add 1 to any number, the answer is the number that comes after. What comes after 3? 4. So what is the answer here? 4. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Got it, students? When you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number that comes after. Got it? Say for example, here 1 bird is there and here 4 birds are there. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 4? 5. So, when you added 1 to 4, the number is the number that comes after 4, that is 5. If you want to check whether the answer is 5 or not, you can also count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same, right? So, when you add 1 to any number, the answer is the number that comes after. Got it, students? Try this. 1 plus 6. What comes after 6? 7. So, answer is 7. 7 plus 1. What comes after 7? 8. So, answer is 8. 1 plus 8. What comes after 8? 9. So, answer is 9. Got it, students? So, always remember, when you add 0 to a number, The answer is same number. And when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number that comes after. Got it, everyone? Next topic is counting forward to add. Count forward to add, start with the bigger number. Here we have to write the bigger number first and then we have to count forward. In the first example, 5 plus 3, which is the bigger number? 5. So we need to write here 5. Then how many numbers we have to add? 3. It means that we have to count 3 numbers forward to 5. So what comes after 5? 6, then 7 and then 8. So what is the answer? 8. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Similarly, second one, 4 plus 2, which is the bigger number? 4, right? So 4 is written here and then we have to count forward how many numbers? 2 numbers, because 2 is added. So after 4 what it comes? 5 and then 6. So what is the answer here? 6. So 4 plus 2 will be 6. Ring the bigger number, count forward to add. Now here you have to circle the bigger number and then you have to count forward. First is already done. 6 plus 2, which is the bigger number? 6. It is already circled and written here. Then after 6 what it comes? 7. So we need to write 7 here and 8. We have to count forward how many times? 2 times, because 2 is added. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Next, 3 plus 4, which is the bigger number? 4. So it is already written here. We have to add how many numbers? 3. So what comes after 4? 5, 6, 7. What is the answer? 7. Next is 2 plus 5. Which is the bigger number here? 5. So circle 5 and write here 5 as well. Then we have to count 2 numbers forward because 2 is added to 5. So after 5 what it comes? 6 and then 7. So what is the answer here? 7. Got it, students? So 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Then next, 6 plus 1, which is the bigger number here? 6. So circle that and write here 6. And 1 is added. What comes after 6? 7. So 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Students, do you remember, whenever 1 is added to any number, the answer will be the number after. 4 plus 1, bigger number? 4. So circle that and write here 4. What comes after 1? After 4? 5. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Then 6 plus 3, bigger number is 6. So write here 6. Then you have to count forward 3 numbers. What comes after 6? 7, then 8 and then 9. So 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Next, 3 plus 7, which is the bigger number? 7. So write here 7. How many numbers you have to add? 3. So what comes after 7? 8, then 9 and then 10. 10. So what is the answer here? 10. 1 plus 5. 5 is the bigger number. Circle that. Write here 5. What comes after 5? 6. So 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. Next, 2 plus 7. Bigger number is 7. Circle that. Write here 7. Then you have to add 2. So what comes after 7? 8 and then 9. So 2 plus 7 will be 9. Next, 3 plus 1. Which is the bigger number? 3. So write here 3. And then you have to add 1. What comes after 3? 4. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Next, 9 plus 1. Which is the bigger number? 9. So circle 9. Write here 9. Plus 1. So what comes after 9? 10. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Got it, students?